install this, you just need a star screwdriver. Okay, and first you have to remove the upper clamp. So the bike is over there. I removed the cap yesterday. There is some work going on in the building, and here comes my bike. I'm planning to change the name of my bike, and here it is. Let me just take my bike a little bit back here. Unfortunately, my camera battery got exhausted, so I'm going to take this bike back and remove this particular part. Okay, and you have 1, 2, 3 and 4 screws which I've already removed. So I'm going to just take this out, place my battery, and use this set. For that I need the keys, so let me get my key. I forgot to get my key. So I got my key, and I've been not using the activa from a very long time, so I thought of using it for a while because I really don't want to sell my activa. It's my first scooter, whatever you call it. For me it's a bike. So this is my first bike which I bought, and I have too many feelings, sentiments, and this was my I had other bikes, but this was the first bike the brand new which I bought from the showroom. So I really don't want to sell this. I'm gonna get the service done and I'm gonna use it. So you can see the condition. This is Excel is mine. We used to use it for our hotel, so it's lying over there. I really don't want to spoil this. So bike is in good condition, everything is fine. Only thing is I have just changed the engine oil and the brake pads. It's time to take the bike out. Okay. So as I said, I have already removed all the 4 bolts. Just lift it up and take this out, and you can see here that I have not used this for almost 6 months. I have removed the old battery. To remove this, you have to remove this bolt and take this out. Then you have to remove the terminals and take the old battery out. So it's time to insert the new battery. So I'm gonna get this water service done shortly, and this is how it's gonna fit. You need a 12 mm spanner, I think. Yeah, 12 mm spanner to remove this. 12 I think, yeah, it's 12. So I'm gonna put it over there. So this is the positive one and this is the negative one. So bike is in off. I've removed my key. So it's time to take this out, place it over here and tighten it. Make sure you tighten it hard. It should not be loose. There are very much chances that due to that short circuit may happen. Okay, there is some issue, and this will be placed over here. I just keep my camera You have to lift the screw from the bottom, the nut. Keep some fine. It's time to install the second one. There is a positive and negative terminal. I have to see accordingly and place it. As I said, the battery will go for a toss. Entire money you spent, energy you have wasted, entire money and energy will go for a toss. Cover. So you can see now I've installed it. I have to just tight this, and the terminals are tight, and it's time to insert the key and check. Okay, here my fuel gauge is working. So I've not used this bike for 6 months, so the self motor is struggling a little bit hard. So the horns are working fine, everything is done. So tomorrow I'm gonna take it to the garage and leave it for the service. Then I think everything should be fine. So this is just quick video, guys, to show you how to replace your battery by yourself. So the battery is done, the bike can run in a very good condition, not to worry. Only thing is I have to get the other service done, so I'm taking it to garage. And because I don't have the special tools, or else I would have changed the brake cable and the brake shoes. Because last time I tried my best, but the spanner I bought, I couldn't open it, so I have to go back to the shop and get it done. So I'll take it to my friend's shop and leave it for service. That's it. So hope you guys enjoyed this. And the same way, you can see there are 4 points. So just put it over here and pull it up and put all the 4 screws. So that's it. Hope you guys like this video, and do subscribe my channel and help me in uploading more and more videos. Thank you so much for your love and support, where I have reached 46,000 plus subscribers, which is not a joke. And thank you so much for you guys. And for the new viewers, I do request you to check out my other videos and subscribe my channels. Catch you in my next videos. Till then, stay tuned. Bye bye.